Video, we are going to create another ad. So if I click on the create ad option right here, remember on the objective option, okay, we have three different objectives right here. And under these three different objectives, we have other ad objective that you can see. For instance, awareness, we have reach. For consideration, we have traffic, video views, and then community interaction. Then for conversion, we have app promotion, lead generation, and then sales. Okay, so I've showed you how to do for traffic, I've showed you how to create ad for, ad lead generation. But here we are going to go with the reach option. Now, for reach is if you want to just create awareness. For instance, reach is like these people that use billboard on the street, what they are doing is just awareness. These billboards you see on the road and they are creating awareness. The more you see them, right, the more you begin to get used to it. Maybe if you see Coca-Cola's picture or banner every now and then, before you know it, you get thirsty and then you want to take Coca-Cola and stuff like that, right? So if you want to reach, you want to create awareness about your product and the rest, you go ahead and use the reach option to create your ad. So if you click on it, you just go ahead and click on continue. Down here, you are going to name it, okay? Your name, and then campaign budget optimized. You can go ahead and then add the amount here. TikTok recommend daily budget to be minimum of 2,000. So if I click on continue, it will ask me to put that to 500 rather. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put 2,500, and then we'll click on the continue option. And on this next page, right, placement is going to be on TikTok. You can name your ad right here and then targeting. Once you come in here, you have to select the location. If you click on here on the demograph, you can add locations where you want to create your awareness and all of that. You can select the age range. You select the gender and then languages. If you want, you can select or use the preferred language. And then for custom audience, we don't have custom audience set up yet, so we don't need that detailed targeting. This is where you go and then you now start doing for recommended categories. TikTok has recommended already for you here for education, and all of that. But you can just go ahead depending on what you're promoting and then just start targeting. You can type let's say business, any interest at all that you are looking to target, right? Business services, whatsoever. Yeah, if for instance, yeah, school, you can go ahead and type school, right? You can go ahead and type school, whatever business at all you're promoting, right? Just type some keywords here and you'll see related keywords that you can select right here. After that, you now add your spending power, right? If you want to high spending power, fine. If you want to use all, you go ahead, okay? If you just want to target specific people who has that high spending power and the rest, you go ahead and select that option. Then for device, you can use this option to target all devices, operating system, versions if you want to do that. Okay, Android 16 and above and the rest. If you want to be that detailed, okay, if you want to narrow everything down, that's how you go ahead, right? Devices, you can select the ones you want: Apple, Discovery, Google, or leave it as all. And then for connection type, if it is Wi-Fi, 2G, and the rest, just leave it as all. And then for the carrier, for now, there's nothing like you can select it, so just leave it as all. And then for the internet service provider, you can do whatever you want. If it is Glow or NG, others, you can do that, right? Then device any price if it is specific price range. Once you do this, it means anybody who can afford to buy a phone of 2 million, 3 million, and all of that, those are the people you're targeting, right? Once you say specific price range and the rest, okay, you can select that and add between here, and that's the people that TikTok will be targeting with your ad. You can narrow this thing as to that level so that you don't just show your ad to everybody. So anybody who can afford a phone worth $200, okay, maybe $100, $50, 150, $200 to let's say $1,000 for instance. Okay, $1,000 plus, right? Those are the people you want to show your ads to. You can just go ahead and specify that right there. And then schedule, you can schedule your ad to start maybe tomorrow, later today, but we're going to start it now. And then you can schedule your ad to run specific time of the day. On Monday, we want it to run from so and so time, or want it to run from so and so time. You can go ahead and specify that, but we'll leave it as all day, right? anytime, maybe in the evening and all of that. That's so you can just go ahead and use a specific time and the rest. Okay. Then bidding, we use target frequency, and then show us 3 times every 7 days. Okay. Show us 3 times every 7 days. You can do 2 times every 7 days or 4 times every 7 days, whatever. You can just go ahead. Okay. So here for the bid control, this is what TikTok is recommending, and TikTok suggests a bid of 765 to ensure your cost stays at or below the amount for maximum and all of that. But this is optional, right? If you don't want, you can just go ahead and ignore that. Then for advanced settings, just leave it the way it is. You don't need to do anything there, and then you go ahead and click on continue. On the ad page itself, right, you have your ad name. Go ahead and name that. And this is where you are going to add your videos, your photos that you want to use to create. Just go ahead, click on it, right? Go to the creative library and then go to upload, and you can upload that from your system into TikTok. And after that, you go ahead and add your text. And at the end, right here, you just go ahead and click on publish, and then TikTok will start showing your ad to people. And once they start showing your ad to people, you start seeing the reactions and the result, and you can always optimize this, right? This is how you run an ad using the TikTok ad manager for the particular objective that is reached. If you want to create awareness about your product, this is how you do it.